Hello everyone. Let us see another question from the section Cluster Architecture, Installation, Configuration. So this is about a Helm chart. So Helm chart repository, it is given on certain path that contains files that describe certain Kubernetes resources that can be deployed as a unit. The files have some issues which we need to fix and deploy them with the certain specification. So the specification is mentioned, the release name. There is a provide a release name, and also resources should be deployed in the front end APD namespace. Service type should be node port. Scale the deployment to 3. Application version should be 1.20.0. And also mentioned, we need to make the changes to values.yaml, chart.yaml. There are some, in case there are some issues, and we just need to check the template files. Okay. First, let us see the OPD path, which they mentioned. There are some files available. Yes, we could see the files there. Back color APD and folder. So let's go inside. Yeah, so we have the chart.yaml templates and values.yaml file. Now let's just check the namespace. So kubectl get namespace grep apd. There is no such namespace available. So let's just create the namespace. So front-end APD namespace. kubectl create namespace and APD. Yeah, namespace is now available. Now, as the question says, so there are some specification mentioned like deployment scale 3 and version. Application version should be 1.20.0 and node port as well they mentioned 20.0. So let's just open the chart.yaml file. Chart.yaml. The app portion here. Looks okay. Updated. Now let's just see the values.yaml file. So first of all, replicate count. You can see we'll update to 3 as the question suggested, and the service type, it should be node port. Node port service. So basic 3 specifications we have added already. 123 and node port. Namespace. Need to take care. Let us just save these changes what we have done. Now to validate the release files whatever we have, how we can validate. So basically we can use the Helm lint command. opt web app color red. So let's see what is anything wrong there. So what it says is template service.yaml object name does not conform to Kubernetes naming requirement. So there is actually metadata dot name, which is an invalid value, right? Let's just see what is wrong with the service.yaml file. So it's in the template. So we'll go inside template service.yaml file. Let's see what is. So you can see here the service dot name. We will change, update the change here. Let's just again run for the lint. Yeah, so 0 charts failed. There is no other issues with this. Now as they asked for, so release name should be the web app color red. As you can see, web app color red, sorry, web app color APD. So we'll just do Helm install. Helm install. Helm install web. Web app color APD in front-end APD namespace. Front-end -apd namespace. And your release file location. Web app color APD. That's it. Alright, so there is another issue when we are installing. It says resource mapping not found for name web app color APD namespace, no matches, kind deployment in version v1. Ensure CRT is installed first. Let's see that. Alright, so here is the issue. It's with the kind deployment, something wrong. So we'll just go inside the deployment YAML file, opt web app color red, and templates. We'll just open the deployment YAML file. Yeah, so this is AP version for the deployment is wrong. What should be the deployment version? We can actually see here apps. This is apps v1 actually. It should be apps slash v1. Okay, that's right. Let's just save it. Let's try to install. Right, so we deployed. We can check the Helm list if the release is deployed. So Helm ls -n front-end APD, front and don't see the release. That's it for this question. Thank you.